Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you can hear me with all of these cars in the background. I just came from getting my hair done and I'm going to go shopping with Clarice and we're going to go to Guilford. And I just want to take you guys along. Sorry, it's really loud. I'm going to wait for these cars to stop. Okay, but yeah, we're going to head over to Guilford and just see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some good stuff and I will see you guys in a bit. So we just got to the mall. I'm here with Clarice and we're starting with Miniso. We're gonna look around and just see what we can find.
You see anything that has Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse on it? Let me see.
Okay, I do need a new wallet. Oh, and I'm already dropping things. I love sunglasses from Miniso. They're always my favorite. Oh my gosh. These look like the ones that I broke and I loved them. So we quickly stopped for some snacks and then we're gonna go to Forever 21 next because they're having some sales. I have never seen a hat so big in my life. Work it, girl. Yes, slay.
Protect yourself from skin cancer, but make it fashion.
It takes up the whole screen. So now we're in the Disney store because Clarice needs to buy a gift for
Tyler's mom.
Okay.
She loves Disney, Mickey and Minnie especially.
Is this Moana?
Yeah.
Anything catching your eye at all? My type of section.
Oh, this is cute. It's 24, but it's like, look at it. It's a mug. It's got like a fashionable Minnie Mouse on it, and then it says, "I'm a member of the Minnie Mouse Club."
We're in our last store, which is Walmart, because Clarice needs to pick up some groceries, and then we'll be done shopping for the day. All done with our Walmart haul. We're all done at Walmart. We're in our last store, which is the dollar store. We're looking at the makeup, even though we don't need any.
Oh, but that comes with 60 and that comes with 25.
So we just got back from shopping. This is everything that I bought, and I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys right now. So from the dollar store, I got a mirror because I think this will be better for filming, because right now when I use the mirror that I have on my table, it like reflects off the camera and makes everything darker. So I want to see if this helps. From Miniso, I got this Prismetal Chrome Eye Mousse. This is from JCat Beauty. This is something I actually wanted in the States, but I couldn't find JCat anywhere, and they just so happened to have it at Miniso. So I want to give this a try and see if it's like a dupe for the Dose of Color block shadows, because those ones are 22 and that's $2.20 for one single shadow. Also from Miniso, I got those glasses, guys. So they're really cute. These ones are more blue tinted than the ones I had, but I still think they look really nice. And from Walmart, I got the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I don't think this is new to e.l.f., but I think they like added more colors or revamped the formula. So I figured I could give it a try because it was very affordable. And then last but not least, I got this hooded like sweater. And I got this sweater from Forever 21. It was only $9 because they were having like a huge sale. It's just a hooded sweater with some like nice ribbon details. But yeah guys, that ends this haul and this shopping vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you want more mini vlogs, let me know and I can definitely do more for you in the future. Until next time, bye!